Amen. Hi, Saints. This tutorial will teach you how to upload your offering receipts onto the NRS website. Okay, so first you will need to go to the home page of the NRS website. And then you would need to either log in if you have an account, or if you don't have an account and don't want to apply for an account, you can just go to the upload offering receipt by clicking on the green button. Okay, now we will first log in. And if you don't have an account, you can ask your district serving one. Now, after you log in, your page will look something like this, and you will notice how there is a new button called Upload Offering. You click on that button, and it will get you to this page where you need to fill out this form. And now, first you need to upload your offering receipt. Okay, so here we just have a random receipt just to show you. But if you, for some reason, don't have an offering receipt, maybe you lost it or the machine didn't give you one, then you can click on that, check that box, okay? And now you need to write the date and time, approximate time of when you did the transaction, and the reason why you don't have a receipt. Okay, and then you need to put in, but in this case we have a receipt, so we won't click the box. All right, and then you need to put in your total amount. Let's say it's 1,000, and then you the date you did the transaction. Okay, and your HKID. This is optional. You can fill it in if you want it for tax purposes. Okay, and then you need to you have to put in your district, so the serving ones know how to distribute the offering. And then you need to put in your confirmation, your email address to receive the confirmation email. Now, this is especially important for those people who did not log in to the NRS account, because if you didn't log in, you don't have any confirmation. But by logging in, you would have a record, and also you can, if you put in your email, you can receive an email confirming that they received it. Okay, and then you can put in any remarks. So anything you want the serving ones to know concerning this offering. Perhaps you want to offer it to certain saints at a certain district, then you put that into the remarks. Okay, and then you have the offering item. So by default, the whole amount would go to the general offering. Okay, so here you have the 1,000 to general offering. But if you want to categorize it to other, if you want it to go to other categories, you can click the drop down box and then just click on any other category that you want it to go to, and click the amount that you want it to distribute to. So if you want 200 to LMA, then you do that, and you click the blue button, add offering item, and then the system would automatically subtract the 200 from the 1,000, the total amount, and the rest would by default still go to general offering. Now let's say you want another 400 to LME, okay, then you just keep adding. And if you don't want anything to general offering, then you just need to add away until everything from the general offering is taken away. Okay, all right. And if for some reason you made a mistake, then you can just click on the trash can. All right, and then once you click on the trash can, whatever amount that remains goes back to the general offering. All right, and then you can just submit your offering receipt by clicking on the green button. Okay, and now you have a reference ID. Now, if you didn't put in your email, and if you didn't log in, I would highly recommend you to take a screenshot of this page, just so you have a reference, and you can ask the serving ones about it later on if you want a confirmation. Okay, now now you can, because we have logged in, you can have the option to view your offering receipts. Okay. And here it shows you all the offerings that you have done, you have uploaded onto the website. and it also shows you the status. So in our case here, all the statuses are still pending because the serving ones have not yet confirmed. They need to check the receipt and then check the amount and the dates and things like that before they can confirm it. But if you logged in, you can have a record and it will show you the status once it changes. But if you didn't log in, you would only put in your email. The email would also tell you, okay, the status is pending, but we would not send you another email once the serving ones have confirmed it. So no news is good news. But if there is any problem with the receipt or with your offering upload, they will contact you via that email address that you provided. Okay, so it's important to provide an email address if it's possible. Okay, all right, and then now we will show you how it looks like without logging in. So we log out first. All right, and then we'll just click on the upload offering receipt. So once you get to the home page, you can just click on the green box, and then everything is exactly the same. And you notice how in this case, some of the informations have already been filled out. This is because we are uploading the receipts on the same device. So if you use your cell phone, you will, as long as it's the same device, some of the information would pre-fill, like the HKID, the districts, and then the next time you log in, you would just need to change the information, like the amount, and you would just need to upload a new receipt. Yes, and also the categories of where things goes to. Okay. And yeah, that would be it. If you have any questions, you can contact your local, your district serving ones. All right, and hopefully this will save all the saints a lot of time. Thank you.